Hello, this is our evidence 3 for scientific thought, based on our thesis Electronic Devices Affecting Students' Academic Performance, which I will be giving a brief explanation of. But first, I will be showing some clips from students in their natural habitat, which would be the classrooms. As you can see, most of the students are on their mobile devices, such as the people at this table, the people at the middle table, and the people at the back and the corner table. So this is why we decided to make our research about mobile phones and their effects on academic performances. Now I'll start explaining the project. Hypotheses. The use of technologies such as smartphones in the academic aspect has a positive impact, as long as it is used correctly and students are taught to use them in a safe environment. This can also depend on certain variables, such as the age of the students, their grade of school, their teachers, and the devices they have. Methodology. This study is mixed, qualitative and quantitative. Therefore, our design is strictly non-experimental. We wanted to study our subjects in the reality and not manipulate it. For our population, our type of sampling was probabilistic and we used stratified sampling. We chose the students of our own school, Universidad Tec Milenio. Procedure. We divided our population into several categories, which were the students of second semester, fourth semester, and sixth semester. Then we divided them into subgroups such as 10 boys and 10 girls randomly. For our technique, we went with the survey so it could be easier to analyze quantitatively, although we left an open-ended question at the end so it could provide us with qualitative data. For our results, we decided to add 2 of the graphs out of the 6 we had obtained. The first graph asks, do you bring it to school? And as you can see, the students of second semester are the ones that least bring it to school. And the last question, which was, do you think it affects your academic performance negatively? As you can see, most of them answered that it depends. Most students said that when they use their phones, it's with academic purposes, such as Blackboard activities and for searching information, but at the same time they also use it for social media. Thanks to the results we got from the survey, we got the conclusion that females from second semester tend to be more responsible and are able to realize the negative impact mobile devices have in their academic performance. So this causes that women give more attention to their respective classes and are more worried for their academic development than men. The use of mobile devices in schools is a very useful tool that has revolutionized the learning models, so cell phones have no negative impact in students unless they give them the wrong use. Now I will mention possible research projects. The first one is, why do we have the need to always feel our phones close? The second one is, withdrawal symptoms from not using electronic devices. The third one is, how can we prevent the negative effect of our phones on our interpersonal relationships? The fourth one would be, are academic platforms ready for mobile learning? And the last one would be, would it be easier to pay attention in class without your phone? Now I will be mentioning the impact and changes our research can have. First of all, in the present, we can change the way we use them during class and actually do it correctly. We should really embrace the mobile devices because they will be not going anywhere in a long time. As for the future, we believe it can impact in a way of creating new regulations and norms of phone usage in school instead of banning them out of the classroom. It can also generate new education systems completely based off of mobile devices, not only as a complementary gadget, which will eventually happen. Thank you for listening to our evidence. We hope it was helpful. Mariana Lanis Salas and Denise Rios.